Hi guys, welcome again to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a crystal report using your ASP.NET application. In this example, I'm going to be a little bit brief of the code, and I am assuming that you already implemented and also have some knowledge of ASP.NET. So ASP.NET is a VB.NET for web application. So you can download the libraries or Crystal Report runtime in your IIS server, and you can run you can generate a report for your table and generate it to using your web application. So let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is create your crystal report that you want to generate. So here I have my example crystal report. So I already tied my, it's already linked to the tables that I want to extract. And also for this example purpose, I only have two fields and also a parameter fields that is linked in the select export. So this parameter field, it needs to be equal to this. So this report is going to be saved in my RPG folder inside my web application. So let me close it. So now I'm using Visual Studio 2017. So let us go to my HTML. So this is a simple VB.NET HTML. So basically it's the regular HTML page, but it has the reference as I'm using framework 4.5, and also I'm using the VB.NET, not C#. But you can also implement this using C#, and you can translate from VB.NET to C#. It's the same core, it's the same framework. It does the same thing, but different. The language is a little bit different. C# is a little bit more as a PHP C base. VB.NET is an old school library. So if you see here in the code, I have my HTML tagging, and also I have two buttons. If I go to design, I will see the buttons here. And I have for this example, I have a one simple script and one complex script. So let me clarify. This report that I did show you is a simple report that doesn't have it's not a complex report. So it's only connecting to one database. It's only also connected to one table. But if you have a complex report that has multiple sub-reports, you need to use the complex script because it's more efficient. So let me go to my VB script here. And this ASP.NET, right now I'm using two-way script. So each ASP.NET it has a VB page for the script. So let's start. So right now, here are all the libraries that I already imported it. But if you notice, the only one that are bolden are these two, because these two are the only one that I'm using right now. But I always like to copy and paste all those libraries so that way I can avoid any errors, or it will not limit the things that I can do. But if you're concerned about speed-wise, you can only put the ones that you need to for your project. So here is the button one. That is the simple script. So now here I'm going to define the object that is a report, also the table that is going to save the information of where is the username and passwords, and also the database. And also in the object, I will load the report. So if you notice, this is not the best script, but it's the common one that they use. If you search in Google, this is the common one that you find. So it will log on the first time. Imagine that you're open Crystal Report. When you log on, it will ask you for your username and password, also the database. So it's going to do that. But if you want to export, you need to declare again the information. And here is the parameter that I'm using. I'm declaring the parameter similar to the Crystal Report, and I'm putting a value. Also here, you can put any value. You can export, like imagine that you have a text box here, or you have a query string in the header of the HTML URL. You can also export it here. And here I have a command that I'm going to export the Crystal Report in a PDF form. So you can use it in Word, Excel, etc. There's a different option. So it will pop up the Crystal Report. So this is also is very important to close the connection and dispose the connection to avoid any issues. So now this is the complex one. So the difference here from the complex one and the simple one is that here you're going to define a table, and you're going to save all the information one time. And the thing is, this script is going to read the Crystal Report and will search all the data connection that you need, and then going to pass this information to all those sub reports. So that is the main thing about this script, that is going to open. It will search how many reports are in the Crystal Report, and it will also log on to their correct database and log in information. Very important to every time that you do a sub report, try to use the same password and username to avoid any any issues when you run the script. So here, besides this difference, everything is the same. I'm refreshing the report, putting the parameter, exporting, closing, and disposing. So let me run the... And also, if you see here in the corner, I have my application, I have my RPT folder, and my webs .config, and my 2 HTML pages. The difference right now I'm showing you the default 2 because it doesn't have any credentials. But for this purpose, I'm going to run the default one, because it has my server information. So let me run it. So I did click play in the isp.net, and right now the information is running. So if I press the simple script, it will open the Crystal Report and will do the connection. And now we have the export in PDF form of the Crystal Report, and also the complex one. So guys, if you like the content of this video, please subscribe to the channel. Also comment and like and share the video. Here in simple ideas for you. We are our purpose is to find simple solutions for you for your personal use and business-wise using technology, and we are here for helping you. And also, if you want to talk to us, you can find me in my social media channel, and also comment to this video, and also match the bell icon so that way you can have a notification every time that I upload videos. So thank you.